Now let's go to the laser part. So for laser part, we have 3 projects. We have laser engraving part, we have laser cutting part, and we also have the rotary attachment part. So the first one is laser engraving. Okay, so for laser engraving, we have today this one.
It's dog tag.
It's dog tag. This is what you get both in your basic package or in premium package. You will get this. So I'm taking it out. So what about pen? Let's make a new dog tag for your dog.
Sure.
What's your dog's name?
Belly.
Belly. Sure. So on this dog tag, you can put your dog's name or whatever other design you want. Maybe a phone number if you, in case of losing, or what else. And so I'm gonna pass this to Tim. Tim. Every time Tim. Yes. So he's gonna. So first we're gonna take out this cutting mat. So no more blade cutting. So no need of using the cutting mat. Okay. Okay. We just put dog tag in the machine. So he's putting in the middle, which is totally fine. And then Tim's gonna simply design the dog tag, you know, with the name Belly and maybe a paw print.
Okay, just a small note here that our machine,
This one. So this machine is the original one, the new
and
one.
it has this laser safety glass to protect you from the blue laser light.
Yeah, this
But-
one.
Yeah.
This lead.
But today, because we have this cut open structure, so when our engineer is doing this, he will have to put on the laser safety glasses just
Yeah,
in
that's
case.
correct. But when you use this at home, you don't. It is totally safe because this cover, this lid will filter the blue light, so it's totally safe for you to use. Glasses.
Glasses. Could you put on the glasses, please?
Yeah, James Bond time. So it's totally safe for you to use the machine at home. But now, just in case, James Bond, yeah, Mr. James Bond is wearing his glasses.
It's him.
I know.
You can't look in there.
I can't.
It will hurt your eye.
Don't look it directly, because this is a cut open machine.
Well, maybe you can. I mean, of course, you can look at it through the camera.
Yeah, that's safe. You can look. You can still watch it from the camera. It's safe. No worries.
But not directly.
So it's working. So this one will take around like 5 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes. Yeah. So while you were doing this at home, you can customize your dog tag. You can also, I know you will ask many questions like what material can you process? The answer is many. It's many. We are testing, and we don't know how exactly the number, but the number is big. So you can engrave on metal, you can engrave on wood, you can engrave on ceramics, stones, and also you can engrave on what else?
So many more.
It's a lot more out there. So you can really do a lot of DIY work or a lot of design at home.
Like
So-
necklace,
yes, for sure. Accessories,
all the accessories you want.
yeah. And you can also like customize your own stamp. Yeah, rubber stamp. Right? We can also do that. And you can also customize your own bottle, tumbler that we're going to show you afterwards. And you can also do with what else?
Wine glasses. Oh, earrings.
Earrings, yes. Rings, necklaces, and also many. I cannot name. I cannot name them all. It's a lot. It's a lot. So we are almost finishing. About like 1 or 2 minutes left.
Oh, another small point here is that you see we have this blue things here because it just do what the lid would normally do, and once you lift up the lid with this normal structure, the machine will automatically stop. So
Yeah.
it's absolutely safe for kids to use.
Yeah. So please, we're gonna show you how it works. Yeah. So so this is the machine you get. We have this lid. Don't underestimate it. It's not a simple lid. So this lid is not just filtering the blue light, protect you from, to protect your eyes. Also, we have this safety design. So if you open the lid while it's working, you will automatically stop. So it's totally safe. So you don't need to worry about if your pet or kid accidentally getting closer to the machine and open it. They won't get hurt because the machine stops automatically. So it's totally fine.
And also this lid will prevent the smoke coming out
Yeah,
and fill all the dirty smoke inside your house.
that's right. So when this machine is working, the lid is closed, and we have inside an inbuilt fan, and all the smoke will go directly into the pipe. So there is no air pollution worries if you just attach this exhaust pipe and use it near a window. So all the smoke will just go directly outside the window. So it's totally okay.
So
Okay.
now the dog tag is almost done.
Yeah.
So let's
Another round of countdown. How many seconds left? I'll say 15.
maybe a little bit more than that.
Do you think Belly's gonna be excited about
I'm
this new
sure
dog
he
tag?
will.
Time to change the
He
old
will be
one.
so excited.
Yeah, you can always make a new dog tag for your pets.
I'm sure he will love it.
Yeah. Oh, it's done.
So
So, can you see it? Can you see the detail? Can you see detail? We try to show you the detail. Yeah. So that's Belly's new dog tag. It's done. Woo! Let's give it to Pan as a gift to her dog.
That's so sweet.
Yeah. Okay. So this is the laser engraving part. So today we're gonna show you a simple one. Actually, you can do a lot of things and a lot of designs with lots of materials and objects if you do it at home, and you can put whatever design you like, and the possibility is really unlimited. The only possibility I'll say is your imagination. So after laser engraving, we're gonna do laser cutting. Yes. So we can do a lot of laser cutting stuff, but today we're gonna show you the most important one. I know you are all curious about if it is really possible for our machine to cut through 8mm Facebook. So today we're gonna try it.
So first, I'm gonna measure it just to
Yeah,
prove
so-
that it is really
so
8 millimeters.
This is electronic ruler to show the precise measure.
So
Yeah, so you can see here. Can you? Yeah, pretty much you can see here. It's 8, even a little bit more than 8. It's almost 8, 7 to 8 something. 795, 797 something.
okay,
Yeah.
and
so
I'm gonna give it to Tim
So
again.
this is the thickness of the base food. So yeah, Tim's gonna help me out again, Mr. James Bond. So a small tip here. So for wood processing, we recommend you to put a foil first. So you know wood has some oil inside the material. So when we use the high temperature, there will some like oil leaking afterwards. So just to keep this bottom plate clean, So we recommend you to use this foil on top of the bottom plate for the laser cutting, for the wood laser cutting.
So
Okay.
you don't have to like clean it every time after
Yeah.
laser cutting the wood.
Yeah, and foil it's easy to get. I think every kitchen will have foil for your like micro oven things.
Yes.
So it's really you can use it repeatedly. So it's not one time use. You can use it for 3 or 4 times. It's totally fine. So now the machine is working. So we try to cut a very simple pattern.
And also, as we have mentioned, our machine have this AI smart camera. It
Yeah.
can also detect thickness automatically. So when you're doing the setup, you just need to click on autofocusing, and it will set up the parameters, and you don't have to set up it yourself. It's absolutely newbie friendly.
Yeah, it's totally beginner friendly because we have this 16 million pixel camera inside, and also the AI smart camera, so you can recognizes the material thickness and autofocus. And now we are running numerous tests, and when you receive the machine, we will have all the parameters already settled. So when you're doing this laser cutting inside your home, you can just choose it, and then it will cut it. Woo! So that's it. We cut it out with this pattern. Yeah.
So for the next one,
Yeah. So now it's the very exciting part. I know you want to do something on your cylindrical objects like this metal bottles, Yeti, container, metal bottle again, or whatever cylindrical objects. You're wondering if you can do it at home. Yes, the answer is yes. But you need to use this rotary attachment.
it's here.
Yeah. So if you choose the premium package, or if you choose to buy the add-ons, you will have this rotary attachment, and that is for processing all the cylindrical objects. So literally, we have the diameter range from 3 millimeter to 70 millimeter. But literally, if you raise the machine high enough, you can process the larger objects. And we don't know the limit as long as you can raise it high enough. So now let's do it. So here is the cut open model as well. When you do the cylindrical objects processing, we need to take off this bottom plate, and all you need is a screwdriver. Yeah. So we're gonna take the bottom plate off.
So this is just for demonstration purpose, but normally we will have 6, 7 screws.
3 screws.
Okay.
Yeah. So today we just put one to quickly disassemble it. Yeah. So now let's take off the plate. Yeah. Put it aside.
And the next step is to put this razor
Yeah.
under it.
Under it. So when you receive the package, when you order the premium package or you order the rotary attachment, it will comes with these 4 razors to raise the machine, to lift the machine
And
high.
these razors have two
different heights, this height or this height, depends how you put it.
So you have you.
So
you
today
raise
we will
it
have
up.
to. Okay, we are trying to help Tim to put the machine, to lift the machine. Okay. 竖着对吧? Okay. Okay, so this is done. It's quite easy. The machine is not heavy. The disassemble is not complicated. And now we just finished lifting the machine.
Maybe the lifting part is a bit tricky.
Yeah, and we recommend you to maybe have a partner when you're lifting the machine. But it's also okay if you do it yourself, as the machine is not heavy.
It's just time taking.
Yeah. So today we're gonna show you to the processing of this metal bottle. And maybe next time, I know you want to see others, next time. Okay, so today we're gonna do processing on this metal bottle. So you're gonna put it on top of the rotary attachment. So actually, the rotary attachment has different grade levels, like depends on the diameters of the objects you process. So you can process small ones like rings, also big ones, maybe Yeti. So it will all work. Today we just like process a medium-sized metal bottle. So now Tim is working on it. Tim's gonna choose his favorite design. I don't know what. We'll see later on. So, yeah. By the way, don't forget to wear your glasses.
I was just going to say that.
Yeah. You know, Tim is afraid of being too cool. So now he is doing the processing on the computer and adjust it, and yeah. Just need to put it in the right place. Okay. Does any of you have any questions? Sorry, I didn't check the your messages during this live streaming, but I'll try to look at it now. And also, don't worry, we'll have Q&A part afterwards, after the demonstration, and we'll try our best to answer most of your questions. Like if you can process cylindrical objects, what would you like to do? What would you like to customize? Okay, Pam, did you bring some questions?
Yes. So the first one,
yeah,
is the software. I know we didn't like put a camera near the laptop we're using, but I think maybe next time.
Maybe next time, because today we have already 2 cameras connected. We try to show everything. Okay, so now let's focus on the working process. And also, what about this? So if you are really interested in the software, we can record a video like how you can use this software.
Sure.
We can definitely show you how we work with it. Like how you can click the button and the steps when you use the machine. We can record a video for the software demonstration. Because if we use the camera, it was not that clear for you to see. We can record a video, the screen video for you to check how to use it afterwards. And today it's mostly focusing on the product demonstration.
Yeah, and the software is really intuitive.
Yeah, it's really beginner friendly. It's not complicated as you imagine. We promise the software is really easy to use, as easy to use as the machine. And what else questions do you have?
I think people are asking about the exhaust pipe.
Yeah.
So as you can see, there is a embedded fan here to discharge the smoke while we're cutting the wood.
Yeah.
And then there is a fan behind this.
Yeah.
So all the fan will be extract from the machine to this fan behind, and then discharge the smoke out from this machine.
Yeah, so you can understand this way. We have an inbuilt side, which is inside the machine, and then we have outside exhaust pipe. So we combine inside structure and outside together, and so we can easily exhaust all the smoke from the processing. So no worries at all. It will be simply easy to assemble, easy to use, and totally effective. But we do recommend you to use this near a window, which is like easily exhausting smoke, easily ventilation as well. What else questions, Pam?
Well, there are so many questions.
Really? We'll try our best. So while the machine is working, we are trying to answer your questions.
So I see there are people asking about what kind of material would generate smoke.
Yeah.
So I think from our experience, normally maybe wood cutting.
Yeah, wood cutting.
Yeah, because if you're cutting vinyl with blade, there will be no smoke.
Yeah, for blade cutting, there is no smoke at all for sure.
Yeah, and what else? Maybe metal. When you're engraving metal, there is no smoke.
Let's say, so for laser engraving, that's for laser engraving and laser cutting, that will be the processing that would exhaust, will have smoke. For blade cutting, of course, there's no smoke at all. And for what material that would generate smoke, we'll say wood, because wood is really commonly used, and because wood is like, it's really an organic material. It's not like and there is like oil inside of wood, so it will normally generate smoke.
Yeah.
And also metal, but metal smoke is like lighter. Wood will be more. Metal is less. And what else?
I think that's
Yeah, it should be some, but
the sure thing is that if you use blades to cut those vinyl material, there will be absolutely no smoke. Because normally, if you want to cut vinyl with laser head, it would generate smoke, and it's usually toxic. So we don't recommend you to do that.
Yeah. And after, so this rotary engraving is almost done. And after this product demonstration, we will have a brief introduction of our mother company and also our story with Kickstarter. So it's just about like 30 seconds left for the laser engraving. Shall we wait or we... Okay, maybe I'll try to see your questions here.
So we see people want to see our 8mm thick wood, and here it is. We just cut it in one pass.
Yeah, sorry. So it's a bit smoky here. But when you use it at home, no worries, because you are not using this cut open model. You will use the original one. Okay, so it's done. Let's check.
Okay. So this is Tim's favorite pattern. What is it? Oh, today is the perfect day.
Yeah, today is the perfect day for every one of you is joining our first live demo. It is a great day.